キキ中心にあるワイキキビーチウォークです。爽やかな風が吹き抜ける開放感いっぱいのこの特設ステージでパフォーマーたちが躍動しています。
ワイキキの中心にあるワイキキビーチウォークに設置された特設ステージは、さんさんと日差し降り注ぐ芝生エリアにあります。パフォーマンスは道行く人の目にも留まり、観客席には各国からの観光客の姿も多く見られます。
No, honey, I'm from Bettendorf, Iowa.
What did you think about it?
Oh, I think it's wonderful. I love it.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, the costumes, the enthusiasm. They're obviously so happy to be here. It's wonderful.
Where are you from?
I'm from Calgary, Alberta.
What do you take away from this?
Oh, I think it's so wonderful. This is what we need. We need more mingling of all the different cultures so that we can appreciate and love each other just as we are, you know. So I think this is what's so great about Hawaii, because you're that wonderful melting pot of all those different cultures. So bless your hearts for putting on a show like this. I hope you guys really expand this, make it even bigger and better.
Are you now more interested in Japanese culture and like other cultures?
Oh, totally, totally, totally.